Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to create a great about page for your website at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to log into our account. Let's get our username and our password. Okay, that's going to take us to dashboard on the main menu. To work on let's go ahead and get rid of this. We're going to go to full screen. And then to work on our website, we're going to click on the website button. And here are the editing tools. We have post, pages, appearance, settings, analytics. Today we're going to be working with post and pages. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a post. We're going to go over the key points for creating a great about page, and then we'll create an actual page. So this will go quick. Let's go ahead and create the post. And let me just grab some words here real quick. And so we'll go to posts right here, and we're going to click on the create button. And the title, how to create a great about page. And then we're going to go over everything that you need to create a great about page. And let's go ahead and paste that in here. So we're going to go ahead and bold this. Go 18-point bold, enter, center this. Okay, so how to create a great about page. First of all, determine what's going to be included. Outline what you'll include on the page, number one. And then start with a mission statement. Highlight what your company is about, the key selling points, that sort of thing. And then after that, tell your story. Give some more detail. What makes your company unique? Tell the story as only you can say it. And then show some company faces. Show pictures of the team. And if it's just you, then just show a good profile picture. Some fun pictures, something depending on how serious your website is. Or also, give a timeline. Talk about the company history and milestones. That's always a great thing to do. Talk about values. Some companies like all natural ingredients. Some companies have no animal testing. Some customers have dedicated customer support and really emphasize that. What you're doing is you're creating long-term loyalty there. And then have some visuals. Again, you can have pictures. You can show a video, share company pictures, that sort of thing. So let's go ahead and hit create right here. And we went ahead, we created the post right here. We didn't do a featured image, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and tab over to our webinar AAA outdoor scenes. We'll do Control F5. We'll do a hard reset on this. We'll go to our blog and how to create a great about page. It's right here. We'll click on the read more. And there it is. There's the post that we just created, and it's right under our blog. So we're going to go over these. We're going to touch on these one more time in just a bit. So let's go back here, back to home. Let's go back to Connect. And now we're going to actually create the page. So this time we're going to click on Pages. And to create the About page, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the Create button again right here. And we're going to label this About. Oops. And then, again, what I would do is I would go ahead and paste in what you want on the page. So the first thing is determine what you want on the page. Paste that in, then just fill in the gaps. Now, we're not going to hit create because we went ahead and created the page ahead of time. So let's go back to Pages. I mean, if we were creating it right now, we would go ahead and click create and we'd create the page. But that would take a lot of time. So let's go back to Pages. And let's find the About page. This is the About page that we created. So let's go ahead and just hit the Edit button on that. And I left the key points in here. Determine what's going to be included. Start with the mission statement. Tell your story. Give more detail. Show company faces. Obviously, the magenta highlighted words you're not going to leave in there, but this gives you a good view of what to do. And I like to have the outline too when creating the page. So let's go ahead and go back to our AAA webinar outdoor scenes. And this time we're going to click on the About page right here. So this is the page that we just looked at the editing button. So we created it yesterday. So it's going to show up on our website on About, and here it is. So About AAA Webinar Outdoor Scenes. AAA Webinar Outdoor Scenes is a unique webinar and hiking page. We teach clients how to use the connect.dataczar.com website builder while keeping things interesting and fun. So that's kind of our mission statement for our website. And then we have our story here. We have our team. We don't have any close-up pictures, but hey, we have some fun pictures here showing the team. You would have something probably a little bit more serious than this, maybe something more up close and personal. Give a timeline. So we gave a timeline here. We talk about values. We help people succeed while providing dedicated customer support. We support our local hiking society and animal shelters. So we talk about values, and then we give you a visual. We threw in one of our webinars, how to start building your website. So there's the page there. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect. We'll go back to Dashboard. And one other thing I just want to mention real quick. If there's a topic that you would like to see, go to Dataczar.com. So let's get out of here. We'll go out of full screen. Let's go to Dataczar.com. And if there's a topic you want to see, just scroll down to the bottom, contact us, and then go ahead and fill out the contact form. We'll be happy to do any webinars on topics that you want to see, or if you have any questions. So let's go ahead and go back to Connect, back to Dashboard, and that's it. That's how to create a great About page with Dataczar Connect.